제발 그만해. 나 무서워. 이러다가는 다 죽어. 다 죽는단 말이야.
Korean class.
안녕하세요. Hey, Kim Sam here again. In this video, I'm gonna talk about some Korean expressions from one of the most famous scene of incredible K-drama that is called SQUID GAME. 오징어 게임. I believe most of you guys already watched 오징어 게임. 재미있었어요? 네, 저도 재미있었어요. For Korean people, this scene was very intense. A lot of people have pretended and parodied these scenes. Even young people who have never watched Squid Game, they pretended this scene. That is interesting. In this video, I'm gonna break down some Korean expressions and meanings and the nuances behind the scene. If you haven't watched it, it's okay. It doesn't matter to follow the lesson. You will get to understand more how Korean people think and speak through this video that you couldn't find in your textbook. Let's dive into it.
제발 그만해.
제발 그만해. First I want to talk about is the word 제발. Literally, 제발 is translated into English word please. But nuance of 제발 is quite different from English word please. You know, the primary meaning of the English word please is polite or respectful. Like when you say to a person who we meet for the first time that, may I have your name please? It sounds respectful, it's beautiful. But if you say to a Korean who you meet for the first time, 제발 이름 알려줄래요? It is literally the same sentence as the previous English one, but they will think you are a strange person because 제발 is mainly used in urgent situations. When you express your desire, like praying to God, sometimes it sounds like begging. And the important thing is that the person who listens to the word 제발 feels psychological pressure to do something. So you need to be careful of use the word 제발. Okay? 제발 그만해. Please stop. Please stop fighting. It sounds like urgent. We'll get to know why in the next sentence.
나 무서워.
나 무서워. I'm scared. He can't stand them continuing to fight. Some people died. It made him scared. Yes, 제발 is used like this urgent situation. Sometimes I got message from foreigners on social media like 나랑 친구해요 제발. No, don't say like that. It sounds like begging. We don't beg to be friends, right?
이러다가는
이러다 is a short for 이렇게 하다, which means doing like this. 다가는 is a connective ending. This connective ending 다가는 is located between two sentences 이러다 and 다 죽어. 다가는 is used to imply that a negative situation and unexpected result will happen if a preceding action or state continues. And the last syllable 는 is omitted often, like 다가. What is the negative situation that is in the next sentence?
다 죽어.
다 죽어. We all die. 이러다가는 다 죽어. If we continue to fight like this, we all die.
다 죽는단 말이야.
다 죽는단 말이야. Here is an interesting expression the Korean use very often. 은단 말이야. Literally, 은단 말이야 means I'm saying that, and you need to know 은단 말이야 is very emotional expression. 은단 말이야 emphasize the preceding verb. If it is used in a negative situation, we can catch the speaker's feeling like frustration and anxiety. And if 은단 말이야 is used in a positive situation, it emphasizes speaker's positive feeling. And like the sentence 다 죽어, 다 죽는단 말이야, 은단 말이야 is used a lot, repeating the verb in the previous sentence. Here's other examples. 떠났어. 기차가 떠났단 말이야. 나 돈 없어. 없단 말이야. Can you catch the speaker's negative feelings? And next two sentences are positive. 꽃이 예뻐. 이 꽃이 참 예쁘단 말이야. 네가 좋아. 네가 좋단 말이야. I can't stop loving you. Alright, in this video I showed one of the best scenes of Squid Game and I explained useful expression how to use 제발, 이러다가는, 은단 말이야. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section below. I will answer to you as soon as possible. 그럼 또 만나요. 안녕.
제발 그만해. 나 무서워. 이러다가는 다 죽어. 다 죽는단 말이야. 어떡해.